There are a lot of processes that are put in place today by financial institutions that really are creating bottlenecks for financial advisors to do their job at the rate that they should be doing. There was a recent study that shows that companies are actually losing on average about 20 to 30% of annual revenue simply due to the fact that they have insufficient processes put inside the workplace. So firms really need to take a step back in terms of the documentation of the processes that are put in place. They also need to make sure that they're regulating those on a more frequent basis and making sure that they're implementing new ideas and processes that are really going to create a more efficient workspace for financial advisors to do their jobs. The first thing a firm needs to do is take a step back and really become self-aware as far as what their business model is going to look like. What they want to do is gather some basic information such as understanding the time spent in client meetings, what their ratios from prospects to client conversions look like, areas that are going to allow firms to adjust what their process is to make it more efficient for advisors to become successful and grow the business. Technology is always going to be introduced when it comes to improving efficiencies. As multiple tools are added, firms really need to reassess their tech stack whether or not redundancies are going to be introduced. It's always going to be a constant evaluation and consolidation when it comes to a firm's tech stack. Presentation module allows firms to provide a single process offering down to their entire advisor base. Home offices are going to be able to utilize NaviPlan's presentation module by incorporating that streamlined process through NaviPlan's presentation set, which is then going to allow advisors to really use that repeatable process for those client meetings. That's going to allow for a lot more collaboration and engagement with the client within those client meetings to really help them out with their financial plan. By doing this, it's also going to create a more engaging and collaborative client experience when it comes to the end consumer.